Hey guys, Candy here of Candy's Natural Hair Dynamics, and I'm popping in real quick with a video, and as you may be able to tell by the title, I'm just sharing one of my many green juice recipes. Yes. And if you guys watched the last video that I posted, the one titled My Big Chop Take 2, which I'm hoping you did, yeah, this will kind of explain to you, the method behind the madness, the reason behind, the lifestyle change, and why I'm paying more attention to my diet. Hoping that this will improve my overall health and also manifest on the outside, leading to clearer skin and to healthier, thicker, more voluminous hair. Alright, so first I'm adding all of my green peas, my string beans. With vitamins A, C, K, and B6. Good for your body. Yes. And I have like 2 dozen string beans. Guys, you won't necessarily taste each of the individual veggies because I'm using a good amount of green apples, and so that will offset, any flavors that you might not be used to. So that's all of my string beans, and I'm moving on to my celery. I have 4 stalks of celery here. Just gonna run those through. And again, celery is high in antioxidant. It's a good source of vitamin K, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. Coming right behind the celery, we have some romaine lettuce. Just pushing those through. And I don't rush the lettuce through because it's so frail and so thin. If you rush it through, then it bypasses some of the juice that you're supposed to derive from the vegetable. So I do it very slowly. Very slowly. And again, lettuce, it doesn't give you much juice, but hey, whatever we can extract, and juices are, a better way for you to get your vitamins because they go directly into the bloodstream as opposed to chewing them or eating them. Just a couple more pieces of those romaine lettuce. And the next thing, believe it or not, that I'm gonna juice is zucchini. I've never ever juiced zucchini before, but I did a quick search on zucchini. Apparently people have been juicing zucchini, and it, you know, has a wealth of potassium, antioxidants, and vitamin C. So yeah, in order to not make the thing waste in the fridge, we're utilizing it, and it's quite juicy. This is a very small zucchini, and look how much juice it's giving off. Yeah. Alright, and I have a wealth of green apples. I have about 5 green apples, and that will help to offset, you know, any. Yeah. Adding in the green apples. 5 green apples, yes. And I have this glass bottle here, quite a huge glass bottle. I know we won't have enough juice to fill the bottle, but I actually like storing my my juices in glass containers. So I'm just gonna pour the juice out. So I'm just going to squeeze a half of a lime into the juice, because you know lime makes any kind of juice better, lime or lemon. Takes the taste to another level. Yeah, so I'm just squeezing a half of that in the juice. Squish it around, swish it around, swish it around. Yes. And then I have like a mason jar right here with ice. Yes. Very hot here in sunny South Florida, guys. So we have to get a cold, refreshing glass of juice. Alright, so I'm just pouring that out. Nice. Yes, you have it. There you have it, guys. A delicious, nutritious, refreshing